here we are, another Wednesday in the light, in the social and popular Milonguero menu. But today we don't have a menu. We cancel because it's a lot of things going on. We have a meeting, we have a few things, so we're going to cancel. And we're going to use the kitchen to do the sandwiches for the festival, okay, for the UK Tango Festival 2019. So I'm going to show you how we're going to do the sandwich that every year we do for the festival, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So we are doing a test today, and we're going to eat some sandwiches to see how it is. So this is a secret recipe, and I'm going to share it with you. These are the best sandwiches in the world, and I'm going to tell you how we do it. So the first thing we do is we buy a whole piece of quadrille. Okay, this is quadrille, comes from Ireland, it's organic, it comes directly from a contact that we have. The cow being taking grass in the hills of Ireland, and here you have a piece of this beautiful meat. And what we're going to do with the meat is, first of all, we're going to cut it, and we're going to do a kind of a tube. So from this piece of 6 kilos, we're going to do probably 1, 2, 4 pieces. And because all the blood is there, the first thing we're going to do with the meat is seal it. So we're going to put it with just a little bit of oil in the pan, and we're going to seal it. Tuck, 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 tuck. The 4 sides, we're going to keep it aside, and then we're going to make a soup. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to have a big pan, and we're going to start to put things there in the pan. So we're going to have, we're going to put a little bit of, how we call this? Apio?
Celery?
Celery. So we're going to put celery. The celery is very good for soups because it gives a lot of flavor. Then we're going to take about 4 pieces of garlic. Yeah, piece of garlic. I'll show you how I do it. If you bring the camera a little bit closer, I'm going to show you. Okay, I like the garlic instead of peel it. Okay, it's a way of peel it that you put it in a jar, and you shake it, and then all the skin goes out. But I like to do it like just to get all the oil from the garlic. I just take the garlic, take the end of the garlic, and then put it with the knife. The skin come out, okay? And then we're going to use the garlic like this. So this is just for the soup. It won't get in the sandwich, of course. It's just to impregnate the meat with a lot of flavor. So we're going to do that. So a few garlics there. Then we're going to put apio. Sorry, apio we already put. Then we're going to put leek. Okay, so I'm going to do 2 pots. You know, so we're going to put 2 pieces of meat in each of the pots. So we're going to put 1 leek there and the other one in the other. I'm going to put 1 onion. Okay, just 1 onion for the soup. I'm going to put a little bit of canela. I'm going to put few carrots. Now I'm going to put the spices. So the spices that I'm going to use is this flower of anise, star anise, that gives a lot of flavor to the meat. Okay, these ones are like anise, but it's in a flower. I don't know if you know that one. It smells amazing. It's a lot of flavor in this anise. So I'm gonna put not too much because it's gonna become too much, but I'm gonna put few, like 6, 7, because it's a big pot. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of this that I like a lot. That is peppercorns. Are very, very strong. They come from China, and they're very, very good. Okay, so they taste like a dentist actually. It's not like a clove, but it's a bit like anesthetic, you know. So I'm gonna put a bit of these ones here. We're gonna put peppercorns as well, the normal ones, but this one gives a bit of better flavor. We're gonna put bay leaves. Bay leaf there. Then we're gonna put clove. That I have to find it somewhere. Then I'm gonna trick a bit, adding a bit more of beef flavor from these organic stocks, beef stocks. So that's, I'm gonna put 3 of these ones. 1, 2, 3. And another trick is when you eat the sandwich with meat, you want kind of the flavor of the barbecue. So we're gonna use smoked barbecue. So this is a liquid with the taste of the smoke. Sometimes you can get it in powder, or this one that is in it's called sabor a leña, okay, and gives it's all natural flavors, so it's not chemical, but of course it's some kind of industrial thing done with flavors of smoke. So we're going to put quite a lot of this smoke here in the pan, and that's going to give a little bit of the taste of the barbecue. So then I'm going to put the 2 pieces of the meat. I'm going to leave it with cold water for 1.5 hours. Depends on how big is the piece that you put in. About 1.5 hours, 2 hours, very low heat. And that's going to cook with all this flavor from the vegetables. It's going to get within the meat. Then we're going to take the meat away. We're going to take the meat away, and we're going to cover with spices. Basically, we're going to cover with smoked paprika, with a bit of garlic, with cumin. Okay, with all these spices, we're going to do a paste, and we're going to cover the meat, and then we put it in the oven with a little bit of butter on top. Yes, butter. So basically, we're going to have that. We're going to pass it like a milanesa in all these spices. We're going to put it in before the oven, a little bit of butter on top, because we want to get a bit more of fat into the meat. We're going to cook it in the oven for about 30-40 minutes at very low temperature. We're going to take it out, and that's going to be the best meat for sandwiches that you can imagine. Super tender, full of flavor, and amazing. And you have to try that in the festival. Okay, I said I'm going to upload a picture of how looks the meat. And I hope you come to the festival. It's in the end of April. Still some tickets, so you have to hurry to get the tickets. And that's all.